The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Millard County in central Utah, central Juab County in central Utah, southeastern Tuala County in northern Utah, until 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:11 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 18 miles south of Dudley English Village to 38 miles southeast of Khartoum, moving east at 40 miles per hour. These storms have a history of wind gusts to 60 miles per hour near Fish Springs. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, VisoNet observations. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Delta, Hinkley, Eureka, Lyndall, Abraham, Little Sahara State Park, Sutherland, Sugarville, Loughlin, and Pintic Junction. This includes the following highways: Bus Route 6 between mile markers 64 and 126, and between mile markers 128 and 140. Bus Route 50 between mile markers 90 and 95. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties: Tuala, Utah,